Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see how we are going to use AWS EC2 autoscaling. For this tutorial I'm not going to create a new VPC. I already have a default VPC in my region. In order to keep it short and concise and to keep it focused on EC2 autoscaling, I'm not going to go to create VPC, subnets, etc. Now let's continue from what we need, right? First thing first, we are going to build this diagram here. As you can see, we have AWS Cloud and we have um, Internet Gateway and application load balancer in the middle, which is going to route requests between two target groups, which inside of them there is um, AWS autoscaling inside here. Now let's start from our gateway from the very top. Let me go to Internet Gateway, and it's already attached to our VPC. Now let's go to our route table and see if it is already yes. So traffic from internet can come to our VPC. Now what we have to do is we're going to go to our EC2 and we're going to start the creation of our auto-scaled EC2 instances. There are different ways to start from. I will start from large templates. Large templates serve as a template which are going to be used by the auto-scaling group in order to maintain the desired capacity. At the same time, to keep the cost as reasonable and minimum possible. In here we can create large templates, and let's say demo. We can provide a description for now for this demo purpose. I'm going to leave it blank. For this, I'm going to use Ubuntu as my machine image. Basically, what the AMI is going to have is the OS and some pre-installed software. So for now, I'm going to go with this. For the install type, we don't have to include this. We don't have to include all of this. But for the security group, we have to create in order so that we can SSH into our instance or do some things. We should be able to create we need to allow that traffic to come into our traffic. So in order to do that, we are going to use a security group, which is kind of a virtual firewall, which lets us net of traffic that are coming to our instance and out of our instance. Now what I'm going to say is SG demo, and I don't want a description, so I'm going to add the rule. So I'm going to need for HTTP traffic, I'm going to, for this one, I'm going to add 22, and for from anywhere, what I'm going to do is for no, yeah, I want to SSH from anywhere, and I also want to allow HTTP and thus the source is anywhere, and that is it. Storage, I'm going to leave everything as default, and I'm going to create launch templates. So we have to add description here. So add it's going to allow SSH and HTTP. Now we have created a launch template, meaning we can use valid, may not be in the formats, so let me edit it. So security group demo, then so we'll be able to, this template is going to be used by our auto scaling group, right? So now what we have to do is we can create auto scaling groups. For this, I'm going to say auto scaling group demo. So now we are going to create the launch template we used, and we're going to specify some additional attributes. I'm going to so I'm going to do it the manual way, so that I'm going to get some of the instance template that are already provided with the necessary with their own limits, right? For example, if I choose T2 micro, sure I'm going to have one virtual CPU and 1 GB memory. I'm going to do this for this demo, for the purpose of this demo. This is the family and the generation. I'm going to leave everything as it is. Okay, I'm going to, this right, I can use now you can choose any VPC for now. Yeah, I'm going to leave everything as it is for this. Everything looks good. I'm going to choose these two, and I'm going to continue. So for now, we're going to need a load balancer. So a load balancer, technically, when we create a load balancer, prior to that, we have to create a target group. So the auto scaling group is going to be the wrapper for the auto scaling group for the targets group. So the load balancer is going to be attached to the target group. So let's go and create first the target group, and then we're going to create the load balancer, and we're going to come back to the, now let's go to the target group. Now let's create a new target group. So I'm going to create for instance. I'm going to say like this. Things look good for me. I'm going to leave as it is for now. I'm going to leave everything as it is for now. And now our target group is successfully created. Now I'm going to create a new, we are going to use application load balancer. So we're going to manage application load balancer. So it's going to be internet facing. Now, since this is internet facing, we might have to attach security group. Okay, let's continue. It's going to forward traffic to our target group. Now, the desired capacity of the group size, it can be 1 or 2. Let's say the max is 2. Let's say the desired is 2, right? The max is 3. We can do it like this. We can average CPU utilization target value. We can say maybe 10 for so that we can easily see what's going on. Now let's continue. We don't need a notification. This is asking us if we want to get notified. Yeah, so we are creating auto scaling group now. Now I want to check one thing. So for this one, I want to modify templates, and I don't think I have added the user data, which is going to, I want to install. Basically it's installs ngs. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new version here. So successfully we have created a new version. So what we are going to do is we come here and check which version it is using. So now as you can see it is using version 1, but we are now on version 2 since we have an update. Let's update it. Hopefully things are all well. Let's think like that, and let's go to our load balancer. So access provisioning. As you can see, we have two available zones. Going to use those to distribute traffic to. In the meantime, we have, I think we have created 2 instances already, and if we go to instances, we should see our instance already running. Yes, we have two instances. We created those from the launch template, and we are going to see yeah, our load balancer also integrated correctly. And let's see if yeah, it is now active. Now what we are going to do is we are going to copy this DNS and open it in a new tab, and let's see what's going to happen. So I think this is due to the HTTPS. Now it said 502 bad gateway. Probably it's something, but it's we were able to get connected, right? So maybe let me check this created web issue. And is not hopefully for this guys. Let me see if it is okay. Let's see what's going on. I think I'm having internet issues right now. Yes, I think we are now back to our connection. So hopefully maybe there's a problem with the security group or something like that. It is in the bad gateway, but we were able to show something. That's a good thing. And now what I'm going to show is let me delete one of the instances, and let's see if it is going to maintain the desired instance number. Right now, let's go to instance state and terminate this one or any of them. And now if we go to the targets groups, we should see that to the auto scaling group, we need to see how the status should change anytime soon. the instances probably grace period, but once now it should be terminated, and you should see a new instance to be created and should get added. Right now 2 out of 3 is healthy, meaning we lost 1, right? Now by this time we should create a new instance and should add it. As you can see, it is initializing a new instance and maintaining the desired set. EC2 instances are ephemeral by their nature. They can be error prone, so whenever you have production workload, it is important that you are serving them with AWS EC2 autoscaling so that our application runs reliably in cost-effective manner. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.